Is the new system apps update made your phone sluggish? No worries. In this video, I'll show how you can uninstall system app updates from your Xiaomi phone. So without wasting any time, let's see how it's done. To do this, open the Settings app on your Xiaomi device, then scroll down a little and tap on Apps. Next, tap on Manage Apps from here. After that, tap the three-dot icon from here and select Show All Apps. Now find the system app that you want to uninstall updates off and tap on it. After that, tap on the Uninstall Updates button from the button bar. Then tap the OK button, and now the update should be uninstalled and the app would be returned to the default version. So folks, that's how you uninstall system app updates from any Xiaomi branded phone, whether it's Mi, Redmi or Poco model. So if the video helped you out, smash that like button. Want more Xiaomi phone related tips and tricks? Just subscribe to the channel because I've got loads more coming. As always, thanks a bunch for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao!